Shake your arms, legs, and body with big, happy movements. The final position is standing tall with feet apart and hands on hips, ready to freeze. Jump into a big star shape with arms and legs wide. Hold still like a shining star frozen in the sky. Twist your upper body to one side with arms stretched out. Freeze in the twist with your belly pulled in and your spine long. Lift both arms up and draw a big rainbow over your head. End with arms reaching to one side while feet stay planted on the ground. March in place, lifting your knees high, then stop suddenly. The final pose is one knee up, arms frozen like a statue. Swing your arms in circles like windmill blades. Freeze with both arms stretched out wide at shoulder height. Sway your upper body left and right while bending forward. The final pose is a gentle forward fold with hands reaching toward the floor. Lean forward with arms stretched like airplane wings. Freeze in balance with one leg lifted behind you. Stand tall with feet together and arms reaching straight up. The final shape is long, straight, and strong, like a mountain. Reach one arm over your head and gently lean to the side. The final pose looks like a curved rainbow shape from hips to fingertips. Bend your knees and sit back like you're in an invisible chair. Freeze with arms reaching forward and your back strong. Move up and down in a bouncy squat like dancing frogs. Freeze at the bottom with your hands together in front of your chest. On hands and knees, curl your back up like a stretching cat. End with your back rounded and your head tucked in. Drop your belly down while lifting your head and tailbone. The final pose looks like a soft, smiling stretch in your spine. Walk your feet in place while in downward dog. Freeze with hips high, arms long, and heels reaching toward the ground. Lift one leg behind you and kick gently upward. The final pose is a strong balance on hands and one knee with the lifted leg stretched long. Flap your knees like butterfly wings while sitting. Freeze with knees open, back tall, and hands holding your feet. Sit tall and twist your torso to one side. Freeze with one hand behind you and the other on your knee. Lie on your back and stretch your arms and legs out wide. The final pose is a calm, spread out star shape. Lie flat on your back with hands at your sides. The final pose is still, peaceful, and relaxed, like you're floating on a cloud.